Nemoj sine više, žao mi. O.
Not bad. You're doing good.
I lost my fender, look! I have missing parts.
Bro, you're going extreme.
Look what happened.
Shit, bro.
But I need to try again.
Yeah, I know. Now you are more adrenaline, more everything. Now you are mad.
Woo! Yes! Yes, bro! Man, watch out! Take care of the bike! KTM, keep throwing money! Oh, the exhaust is full of the dirt. Whoa, something is smoking.
Boom! The bike went flying. If you're enjoying this, hit that like button. And if you want to see what happens next, keep watching.
Oh man! Oh man! Oh man, what is happening? Whoa! Oh my god! I was taking too much, you know, before riding. Yeah.
Alright, let's flip this bike over.
Gdje vidiš dale, kamen ima skroz dale. I tu. Bro.
That's a massive.
Get empty!
The chainsaw sound.
Yeah, baby! Yeah, baby! Whoop! Whoop! Holy shit! Bro! What the hell? Bro! Holy shit! Fuck! Shit, again and again. Ej! Nemoj sine više, žao mi. Jebotele! Jesi uzao pre-workout opet? O.
Bro, svaka čast.
O. Jebo ti, uši svoje. Kako se smije gor. Siro.
Da ti skontao kako je.
Ja. Pogledaj. O jebote kolo.
Šta se formirao?
Yo bro, so
Okay.
listen. This is the throttle.
Okay,
This is the front brake. This is the clutch.
okay.
Down there is the shifter. Yeah.
So I start in the first gear.
Yeah. You start in the first gear.
Okay,
Then you pull the clutch
okay.
and little throttle. No full throttle.
Okay.
Little throttle, and you will go slowly.
Okay, slowly.
Yeah, slowly. My friend. Holy shit, bro! Not like that.
What is that?
Not like that, bro. I didn't say you to do that.
I was
Shit,
thinking
bro.
it's an automatic clutch.
Ah, no recuse, bro.
My car is automatic, bro.
Oh, bro.
Oh man.
Shit now. Where is your fender? Where is your fender here?
Something is
fender.
missing.
Shit. So poor KTM, poor KTM. Shit, bro. Oh, is your steering wheel good? Shit. Okay, so let's go home.
Dobar.